Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video I will show you how to set up 3D face unlock on this device. So let's open settings and you want to scroll to section Biometrics and password. Let's tap on face recognition and now we want to enter your lock screen password and let's press get started button. So now we want to follow the on-screen instructions, and first of all you want to place your face within the frame on your screen and let's scan your face. Okay, additionally you can enable face recognition with mask, but I will tap later. And a very important thing that you have to enable is require eye contact. You always want to keep this on because it will prevent your phone from unlocking if your eyes are closed, for example while you're sleeping. So yeah, that is basically it, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.